Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be on a day's Pune tour tomorrow. During this, the Prime Minister will be honoured with the Lokmanya Tilak National Award. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has expressed concern over disruptions in the Parliament. Addressing an event in Guwahati yesterday, the Speaker said that coordinated and designed disruptions of the House lowers the dignity of the Parliament. Income Tax Department has achieved a new milestone with over 6 crore income tax returns filed this year so far. Around 26,76,000 ITRs have been filed till 6:30 pm yesterday. Indian contingent finished the Sri Lanka Athletics National Championship yesterday with 14 medals including 9 gold, 4 silvers and a bronze. The Indian Meteorological Department has said that heavy to very heavy rainfall activity is likely to continue over east, northeast and east central India during next 3-4 days.